Welcome to this YouTube tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to save YouTube comments from a live stream. If you want to save the chats, this is the video for you. Okay, what you need to do is to install this extension to your Google Chrome. The name of the extension is there, you can see it. Save live streaming chats for YouTube. The file will be in CSV format. You need to upload it to Excel or Google Sheets to use it. Okay, the extension is already installed in my browser, so let me take you where I have a bigger picture. This is a small screenshot the way it will look once it's already installed. You need to click it. In my computer, it's here. You can see it there at the right hand corner. You click on the extension, then you turn it on. This blue signifies that it's on. You turn it on, then it starts saving your chat. And here where it says live chat, it's and the count 39 comments saved, 39 chats saved. This is where you click to download. Okay, I have some other stuff here to show you. This is the extension inside Chrome Web Store. You install it. Once it's installed, you click on it, then you turn it on. Once you click, you'll have the option to turn it on. Okay, this is the CSV file. When I upload it to Google Sheets, this is what you will get. You'll get the message in HTML. You'll get the message as text, already cleaned, and the name of the YouTube channel that left the comments, the profile picture, and the time. Okay, was here? Here was here. Yeah, this is like the same thing. Top chat, one chat saved, and here the save chat is off. This is what you see when it's off. You need to go here and turn it on. You turn it on, and then it start counting. When it's turned on, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like when it's on, and it's counting. It's counting. You don't need to watch the video. You can watch another video, and you come back to that video later to download the chat. Even when the live stream is finished, the saving starts as soon as you turn it on. That's when the saving starts. But there's another thing that you have to do here where it says live chat. This saves all the chat. If you don't want all the chat, if you don't want the spam, you'll have to leave it as top chat. As you can see here, top chat. You leave it as top chat, then the spams and all will not be saved. You will only have the comments that YouTube think is the most relevant one. Okay, I hope you understand. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I mostly make tech video, programming video, or videos that teach people Lingala. That's the three kinds of videos that I make. Okay, you already understand about this extension. It's called live streaming. Save live streaming chats for YouTube. I hope this tutorial will help you. Please subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye bye.